guys, she's probably great, bro, but she's, at the end of the day, the most helpful thing you can do for your dating mindset is just see the fact that she is nothing special, okay? There's so many women in the world. There's 4 billion. There's a lot of women that are beautiful, that have great families, that would cook and clean, all that stuff, okay? So you're not necessarily attracted to her, you're attracted to women like her. That's a reality. Just fucking face that reality, because it's a little bit of a wake-up call, right? Like, we're in this Disney fantasy where we think that this is like, it's the one-itis thing, right? And here's the deal. If you just focus on, continue to level up your body and your mindset and your social skills, and you do this thing that we're doing here by building out your social circle, making better friends, having stronger male connections and getting more women into your life. And most importantly, getting more women attracted to you. And just invite her along as a friend. Just include her in your world.
She's in
Let her take your lead. Let her fall into your reality. Create a reality that she wants to fall into, right? As opposed to you trying to figure out how you can get into her world. You said yourself, I don't know how to get into her circles. I don't know how to get into her reality. That's wrong. You need to create a world that's so much greater and better. It needs to be better and greater than her frame of reality. You need to be living in a frame of reality that you can only create yourself, that is like gravity that pulls her in. And then along the way, then you just flirt with her a little bit, like, hey, like,
yeah.
I'm gonna say, like, that dress is looking pretty cute today. You must have got that from like Zara or something.
Yeah.
Little stuff. And if she
Actually,
reciprocates, if she doesn't reciprocate it, okay, hey, no worries. I'm glad that you're here. Your little hug, go talk to somebody else. But if she reciprocates it, oh, you look good too. I really like your beard. I'd say, okay, yeah, really? Like, you like my beard? Like, what part of my beard do you like the most? And then
yeah.
you keep playing with it.
Yeah.
And it's just ping pong, right? It's ping
Yeah.
pong. It's just you have to hit the ball over a little bit. If she hits it back, okay, hit it back maybe a little bit more. But if you hit it over, she doesn't hit it back, okay, hit it back when you're ready. I'll be here. But in the meantime, I might go play a little ping pong over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's other participants in the world. So when she sees that you're emotionally self-reliant, that's when she cannot help but be attracted to you.
Yeah. But again, the same thing.